Hello friends! Oh, so colorful ice creams! Who brought them? Do you wanna eat colorful ice creams? Let's make them together! Let's grow our first cornetto! Ice creams? It's so designer. Our ice cream have become 3D. Let's make our another ice cream. It's so cute. Our third ice cream. It will also have 4 different colors. Oh, it's looking very cute. It's looking like an octopus. It's also a cornetto. Wow, ice cream. I love eating ice creams in the summers. Toy time. Look, all of our 4 ice creams are looking very cute. Light green color. We are going to make our ice creams very colorful. Purple color, pink color, light green color, yellow color, orange color. So colorful ice creams. All the other ice creams are watching you coloring the first ice cream. Red color in the mouth. Oh, it's also watching. Blue color. Pink color. Our ice cream looks happy when you are coloring it. Dark blue color and pink color. We will color the cornetto with both these colors. One time dark blue and one pink. So colorful. Red color and our second ice cream. Pink color and its face. Orange color. Our second ice cream is also going to be happy. Just like the first one. Yellow color. Orange color and the stick. Oh, first ice cream and second ice cream are very happy. Purple color, orange color, yellow color. its ice cream is pink in color? I think it's going to be a strawberry ice cream. What do you think? Yellow color? Orange color. Oh, look. The mouth of our pink ice cream is not visible. Purple color. Let's color it very fast so that it can also become happy. Red color. Oh, so colorful. My mouth is watering after seeing all the ice cream. Share this video with your friends and invite them for an ice cream treat. Want ice cream? Uh-oh, who ate it? Another ice cream? Oh, someone also ate this. Oh, it's melting. Let's eat it very fast. Who will eat it? Oh, it's also finished. My favorite strawberry ice cream. I will eat it all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Toy Tube.